Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my second favorite choka recipe, and this one is for baigan choka. When I can't get tomatoes, baigan is my next go-to choka. So this one is going to be really easy to put together, and I like to keep it really simple. So to start, we're going to cut an opening into the side of the baigan, and we're going to add in 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to place those deep inside and close back as tight as you can, and then do the same for the second. We're going to place these on an open flame and allow it to char on all sides. As it starts to char, you'll notice that it starts to sizzle, and you'll see some bubbles coming out where there's liquid coming out of that cut. That is what's going to help cook and keep the baigan on the inside really nice and moist and juicy, because you don't want your eggplant slash baigan to start drying out on you. See the bubbles? That's going to create a really delicious, luscious, smooth filling. So we're going to allow it to cook on all sides until it's very, very tender. And of course guys, you can double and triple this recipe. Some people like roasting off tomatoes and adding it to the baigan. Here I'm going to roast off 1 scotch bonnet pepper. I love to put pepper when I make choka. So I'm just going to let that char slightly on the outside, and it is going to get really tender. Once the baigan is finished and it's nice and tender on the inside, remove it from your flame. And also remove the pepper. Now what you're going to do is cut open the baigan, and you don't want too much of that charred skin. You're still going to get that flavor, but you don't want a whole lot of that charred skin in there. Remove the garlic, it's nice and soft, and we're going to scoop out that flesh. You see how nice and soft that flesh is? That is what you want. Place it into your bowl and continue to scoop it out, and do the same for the second baigan. Now once you finish cleaning it out, you can leave the pepper on the side, or you can mash the pepper up into the choka like I like doing. So you're going to start by smushing the garlic. You want to make sure it's nice and smooth and smushed down on the eggplant. You want it to get really nice and smooth. Now I'm going to season this with salt. You can add salt to your taste preference, and I'm going to give that a mix. Now I'm also going to be mashing up the half of the pepper in here, but I'm leaving the entire pepper. I'm only going to be smushing up a half of it. You don't want it to get too spicy, and you want to give that a good mix. And just set that aside. Let's heat up our oil because we need to chunky this. And I'm adding my avocado oil to my ladle, and I'm going to let it heat until it's screaming hot to the point where it's smoking. I'm adding in onions. I'm throwing that oil over the onions to chunky it. And all you have to do now is give this a good mix. Taste and adjust your salt accordingly, and now this is ready to be enjoyed with some hot sada roti. I love this with sada roti. I wouldn't eat it with any other roti. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. I know some people like putting bandania slash shadow benny, but it's not my thing. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.